The 2017 Super Duty is a big truck, and it only gets bigger when you start throwing on lift kits and off-road tires. That's what makes AMP Research's BedStep especially convenient. This heavy-duty tailgate step is supported by a die-cast aluminum linkage arm and stainless steel retraction pivot points, ensuring sturdy support of up to 300 pounds. Assemble the bracket by loosely threading in the bolts that hold each side of the bracket together. Leaving them slightly loose will allow us to line up the linkage arm to the bracket. Now we can attach the linkage arm to the bracket with the included hardware and fully tighten it down. And now that the linkage is installed, you can completely tighten the two bracket bolts. Under the driver's side of the bumper, remove the frame nuts from these three bolts shown here. The AMP bracket will slide in and maneuver around the rest of the frame bolts to set in place. The factory nuts will reattach to the frame bolts to secure the bracket. The bracket conveniently has a slot to insert your extension and socket to tighten the nuts back down. Insert the nut plates into the step in the first, third, and fourth slots. Then set the step on the bracket and tighten the Allen head bolts to finish the install. The BedStep bumper step is made right here in the USA. It is engineered to support up to 300 pounds and using high-strength, die-cast aluminum components, and features a high-traction, all-weather composite step pad that's big enough for two large boots.